Hi folks, Joe here from Clarkdale Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about this 2010 EOS you see behind me. Follow me and I'll show you the car. This vehicle has a few extra options. One of them is the technology package you see here. What this has is you've got navigation, you've got satellite radio, you've also got backup sensors in the back of the vehicle. Thanks so much for stopping by today. Don't forget to check us out at www.clarkdale.com.